We're taking a longtail today. I read once that these longtail boats are like the gondolas in Venice, but on steroids. We've stopped to get gas. Gotta fill up the tank. It's really hot today again. What's the weather like? Hot. Want to buy something. You want a little elephant? Oh, I like the this. What is this?
Okay, the clock. Okay.
What is that?
The clock. Okay.
Makes noise. Ah, okay.
The clock. Okay.
Okay.
The elephant.
You like the elephant better?
Okay. Now, Buddha, right? Happy Buddha, Thai Buddha.
How much is
This
this?
one 400 baht.
400.
This 300.
And this?
Same 400.
This is heavy.
อันนี้the bull for two.
I like the frog.
For two. 3,000 โบนไหม
300?
เอามา for two 700 บาท
No, two. It's heavy. It's heavy.
Small one. Oh,
It's heavy. One. We want one.
The kidding elephant เนี่ย The kidding.
That's small. We don't have for kitty. Oh, this is pretty
3,000
too.
โบนอ่ะโอเคอ่ะ Market
This is cute too. Look. This? How much is it? You want this?
300 บาท
300. I like the frog. I like
the
this.
frog.
I like the frog.
for two 600 บาท for
No,
two
it's too heavy. Too
อุ้
heavy.
ยไม่หนักเลย
And we gave him a beer. Bye bye. Thank you. Ooh, no. road to pig out. We're finally eating. I'm going to show you guys what we're eating. Ooh, somebody's taking my dish away. This is pad thai, and it has like a peanut sauce in it. It's really good, and I got mine with shrimp. You could also get it with chicken. And he's eating white rice with a green curry chicken sauce with vegetables.
Mango sticky rice 50 baht. Mango juice smoothie 50 baht.
Sticky rice.
50 baht.
This is jackfruit. This is durian.
Yeah.
Jackfruit with rice.
Yeah.
Should we get durian?
Yeah, can we have durian?
Durian. Durian.
This one? Yeah.
One.
Okay, mate.
Is it without
Okay,
rice?
ni. Okay, ni.
Not the whole. It's too big.
Small?
Small.
So can we have durian, no rice?
Yeah. Durian, no rice.
Okay.
Durian,
140.
durian, durian, no rice.
It's so difficult to cross. So be careful when you cross the street because the cars go in opposite direction to the US and to Europe, okay? So like in UK,
Wanna try?
I guess. I read that one of the things you must try is the durian. Durian. Ooh. It's like sticky. It's like gooey and gobby and gooky. I think it's an acquired taste. It's okay. You eat it. back at the hotel. It was a very exciting day today. I hope you enjoyed this video of Bangkok and everything we did today. So maybe you guys can get ideas for whenever you are in Bangkok. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye!